celebrate and we say congratulations to Mr. Mamdani and to New York City for this new mayor, because we are delighted to see people a person of principle, a person of courage, who stood up and despite all intimidations expressed his opinions regarding crimes being committed in Palestine. We share the sentiment of Mr. Mamdani, and we say that all that happened in Palestine the last 2 years, not only the last 2 years but the last decades, is criminal. This is against Judaism. We are embarrassed when all of these crimes in Palestine is being done in our name. Supposedly, State of Israel does not represent us, neither does all these false intimidation accusation of Mr. Mamdani. The people who tried to blame him as anti-Semitic, all of this is false, all of this is wrong. We have one of our banners saying, don't buy Zionist propaganda, anti-Zionism is not anti-Semitism. We consider Mr. Mamdani a friend of the Jewish people, as he expressed himself many times, while he criticizes and condemns the crimes of Israel. This is not a contradiction. This is something that people need to learn and understand. We are looking forward for a bright, beautiful future. We are going to send a message to the world. We are going to show an example of Jewish people living under a Muslim mayor in the United States of America. And people should learn and see how this can work. And this can work in Palestine as well.